Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use UPBASE for procurement management, your 2025 guide. First off, log into your UPBASE account and head over to the Procurement tab. This is where you'll be spending most of your time, managing vendors, purchase orders, and invoices. It's vital to start here because this is the central hub for all your procurement activities. Now that we've done that, click on the New Vendor button to add a vendor. Fill in the required details like name, contact info, and payment terms. The reason we do this is to keep all vendor information in one place, making future transactions smoother and quicker. Next up, let's create a purchase order. Go to the New Order section, select your vendor, and input the order details. This helps us because it automates the order process, reduces errors, and creates a record for future reference. Once your vendor delivers the goods or services, you'll need to update the order status. Just click on the Received button and UPBASE will handle the rest, keeping your records up to date and ready for auditing. This step is important to ensure your procurement records match your actual inventory. Finally, you'll need to reconcile your purchase orders with invoices. In the Invoices section, click New Invoice, match it with the correct purchase order, and voila, UPBASE does the rest. It ensures that you're only paying for what you've received, avoiding any discrepancies or overpayments. Let me explain why this matters. UPBASE automates and simplifies procurement management, eliminating manual errors, saving time, and ensuring accuracy in your procurement process. So there you have it, a quick guide to navigate procurement management with UPBASE in 2025. Until next time, keep managing your procurement efficiently.